Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that UPSC GS पेपर 3 मेंस आंसर राइटिंग प्रिपरेशन देख लेते हैं। बायो रिमेडिएशन क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। बायो रिमेडिएशन इज एन द इन्वायरमेंटली एंड फ्रेंडली एंड cost effective approach and to the cleanings and the containings. Cleaning up the contaminated and the site and critically analysis to 50 word difficult level moderate. Refer Investopedias and .com and buy the questions. The question is other part of the static syllabus of the GS paper 3 and mentioned. And introduction देख लेते हैं। Bioremedicals is other process and where the biological organisms and are used to the removes or the neutralize and the environmentals and populated and by the metabolic process and the biologically organisms include the microscopic organisms such as the fungi and algae and bacteria and the remediations treating the solutions and the main principles is degrading and the converting pollutant into less the toxins forms and biomediation is highly removed and in the degradations and eradications immobilizations on detoxifications and diverse the chemicals wastes and physical the hazards and materials from the surroundings and through the all inclusively and the action of the microorganisms bioremediations and the bio meanings and are the clearly and specified as the first choice and under the rule 15 and judge of the of the rules and of the safe and treatment of the legacy and waste in all the opens and the dump sites and the excitings and operations and the dump sites in India body different type of the bioremediations and techniques and advantage the contaminations of the soil through the heavy metals and becomes are the major problems and among all the others environment problems. Thus, metal can also be the removed and by the use of the various biological agents and like the yeast and fungi and bacteria and algae etc., which act as the bioabsorbent for the sequestering in the metals. In the solid, bias is about the 12% and constitute of the rubber. Either rubber can the neither and degrade easily and nor the recycles and due to its the physical compositions. This can be removed and due to the remediation and bioremediation of agriculture wastes and each year human livestock and the crops and production produced and the approximately and 38 billions and metric tons of the organics and waste the worldwide and disposal and environmental and friendly management of those the wastes and has the become other global priorities and thus can be the managed and through the vermi postings and the vermi compostings and is the nothings and but other joint actions and between the earth worms and the microorganism and here the microorganism help in the degradation of organic matters and the earthworms drive the process and the conditionings and to the sustained and the alternating the biological activities it is lead to the near and zero emission of the harmful gases such as the methane hydrogen sulfur and the ammonia and the leach. Organic function of the originals and waste is the degraded biologically and by the bioculturals and specific microwaves are also used for the leachage and treatment. Once the waste and is the stabilized and it is the ready and for bio meanings and can be the separated into the different factors and which can the then be used for the different purposes and for the comfort and road and the subgraded making RDF and refuse the derived and fuels and the pellet and recyclings and plastics and or the inserts or the inert and for the landfill and etc. The major advantage and of the bioremediations and method is that and it is allowed for the contaminating to be the treated and neutralized or removed and then the produced is the vast production and itself that is more the easily and disposed of in some cases and there is no need for the disposal and it all in the case of the plants used in the photoremediations and the filtrations, and the plant is the able to do the some things and called the bioaccumulations, and this means is hold and on to the contaminated and as the plants is still and growing, and there is other no need to the remove and destroy it. The disadvantage and not applicable and to heavy metals and contaminated or the chlorinated and the hydrocarbons and such as the trichloroethylene and the non-permeable and soil the required and additionals and processing and the contaminated and can be the stripped and from the soil views and soil washing or the physical extractions and before the being placed in the bioreactions reactors, and depending on the specific site and some the contaminated and may not be the absolutely and transformed into the harms to the harmless and productions, and if the transformation stop it and the intermediated and the compound the intermediated and maybe the more and toxic and or mobile than the parents and compound, and some are the recalcitrated and the contaminated and cannot be the biodegradable, and when the incorrectly applied injections and veils the may and becomes the blocked and by the profuse and the microbials growth and due to the additions and of the nutrient and actions donors and the elections and acceptors heavy metal and organics and compounds and concentrations and inhibits and activities of indigenous microorganisms and in the situ in bioremedication, and usually the required and microorganism and the aclimatizations and which may not the development for the spills and the recalcitrant and compounds. Conclusion: thus, it is the not and only the process of the removing the pollutant and from the environments, and but also it an eco-friendly and more the effective and process, and the purpose of the bioremediations and is to the make an environments and free from the pollutions and with help of the environmentally and friendly microbes. Mangroves forest and are the Betel's coastal and ecosystem and that offers a range of the ecologically and environmental benefits as well as the being an essential habitat for various species. However, in India, thus the mangrove and forest are facing the ecologically and the fragilities and the vulnerabilities and analysis to 50 words. Difficulty level moderate reference. Insight on India by the question. The question is the part of the static syllabus of the General Studies paper 3 and mentioned as the part of the mission 2024 and secure the timetable. Key demand of the question to explain the importance of the mangrove and to brings out the various threat faces and by them directive comments, and here we have to the expressed and our the knowledge and the understanding of the issues and forms and the overall and opinion thereof. Structure of the answer and introduction, and begin the answer and by the briefly write about the mangrove and their the economy, their the ecosystem, and write about the roles of the mangrove and as other part first line of the defense and against the erosions and the flooding, also the mentions and about the other ecologicals and benefits of mangrove as well as its the unique and flora and fauna, and next the write about the various threat and that the mangroves and are facing and which is the making and them the ecologically and fragile and the climatically and vulnerable, and such as the coastal development clearing for the agriculture and the excessive aquaculture and the salt productions and river the changes and dam and the irrigation destruction of the coral reefs and pollution and the climate changes etc. City necessary example fast and the futures to substantiated your point and conclusion. Right away forward to protect the mangroves and ecosystems of India. Introductions. Mangrove are the characteristic and the littorals plants formation of the tropical and the subtropicals and saltred coastlines, and they the exhibited and remarkable capacities for the salt water and the tolerance and strong wind velocities and the varying tides and high the temperature, e.g. the rhizophoras and the avicennias and Bruguiera, etc. And total covers of mangrove in India is about the 4,975 square kilometer as per the latest states and of the forest and report 2019 body. Ecologically services by the mangroves. Mangroves plant have the additional and the specials and the roots and such as the props and root and the forus and which the help and to the impede and the water flows and the thereby the enhances the depositions of the sedimented in areas and where it is already and the occurring and the stabilize and the coastals and shores, providing breeding ground and for the fishes and mangroves the moderate and monsoonal and tidals and floods and the reduced and inundation of the coastal and lowlanded, and they prevent coastal soil erosion and they protect the coastal land from the tsunamis and the hurricanes and floods, and mangrove the enhances natural recycling of the nutrient, and mangrove supports the numerous floras, avifauna and wildlife, provided other safe and the favorable environment for the breeding, spawning and rearing of the several fishes. The supply boats, fires, wood and the medicines and plants and the edible plants to local peoples. They provide the numerous and employment and opportunities to local the communities and the augmented their livelihood. Threat to mangrove. A scientific study reported and that 100% of mangrove species and 92% of mangroves associated and 60.8% of algae and 23.8% of the invertebrated and the 21.1% of the fish are understand and thread natural forces due to the climate changes and sea level rises. Mangrove systems and do not the keep pace with the changing and sea levels and the fail. Extreme high water events and affect the positions and the health, including through the altered and sedimented and elevations and the sulfide soil and toxicity and the storms and increase the damage to the mangroves and through the defoliations and tree mortality and they the collapse and the precipitations and decreased rainfall and the increase and the evaporations and will the increase salinities and decreasing net primary and productivity growth and temperatures and changing the species and compositions, changing phenologicals and the pattern and timings of flowering and the fruitings. Ocean circulations patterns and affected the mangroves and the propagulate and the dispersals and the genetics structures of the mangrove pollutions, and with the concomitant and affected on the mangroves community structures. Anthropogenics and activities. Mangrove are being and destroyed and the facing several and threat due to the urbanizations, industrialization and discharges of the domestic sewage and industrial effluents of the pesticides, salt pans and the aquacultures, and also the pose and measures and threat to the mangroves. And 40% of the mangrove and forest in the west coastal of India and have been the converted into farmlanded and the housing colonies and over the last 3 decades. Some of the mangrove species like the Bruguiera and Cylindrica and the Soneria and Acida and are at the verge of the extinctions due to shrimp and the farming. About 35,000 and ha of the mangroves and have been the lost in India. Scientific management of mangroves. National-wide mapping of the mangroves and areas by the remote and sensing techniques and couples with the land and survey and the and time series to the access the rate of the degradations of the ecosystem, quantitativeness on survey of areas and climates regime and rate of the growth of forest trees and the seasons, and variations of the environmental parameters, inclusion of the mangroves and species under the thread in the IUCNs. International Union for the Conservation of the Nature and Red List, Soneratia and the Griffithia in India. Assessment of the situatables and site for the reserve and forest and the artificial regenerations and through the mangroves and nurseries and or the aerials and seedings, joint management of the mangroves and with the local communities participations, diseases and the pest control and crops the cut are the prevented and by the paintings and hypocotyls and in the yellow or the placings and seedlings inside the bamboo and the containers. Affortations of the degraded areas, study of the method, the ecology of the mangroves and there the flora and fauna and there the microbiology and the bio chemistry of the organic matter and the sediments. Mangrove for the future is other uniques and the partners and led the initiative and for the coastal ecosystem and the conservations, and this the project is being the coordinated and by the International Union for the Conservation of Natures, IUCN, and covering the initially and 8 countries including the India in the South Asia and Southeast Asia and the Western Indian Oceans, and for the protections of the mangroves. The mangroves have been the afforded and the protections under the category first and the ecologically and sensitives of the CRZ. Conclusion: an increase of the 54 square kilometer in mangrove and cover has been the observed, and as the noted in the SIFR 2019, there is a need to build on this progress and for the stabilization of the low lyings and the coastal lands and mangroves being the naturals and the filters of pollutant and from the water, it is the becomes an even more the necessary to the conserve them and value additions characteristics and the mangroves and are salt the tolerated and trees and also the cold and halophytes and which the services and high the salinities and tidals and regime strong wind and the velocities and high the temperature and the muddy and the anaerobic soils and the combinations of the conditions and hostiles and for other plants. The mangrove ecosystem and constitute are the symbiotics and link over the bridge and between the terrestrials and the marine ecosystem, and they are the found in the intal and the tidal zone of the salttrade and the source and estuaries and creeks, backwaters and lagoons, marshes and mud flats. Question: what causes coral and the bleachings and examine the impact of the bleaching on the wildlife, humans, and 250 words. Difficulties level easy and refresh inside on the answer by the questions. Coral bleaching occurs and when the coral expands and either certain algae and unknown is the zooxanthellae and which live in the tissues of the corals and in other symbiotics relationships, and about the 90% of the energy zone of the coral is provided and by the zooxanthellae and which are the endowed and with the chlorophylls and the others and pigmented, and they are the responsible for the yellow or the reds and browns and colors and of the host corals in the additions and the zooxanthellae and can the leave and in indo Indoors plants and with the jellyfish also. A wide and the stage of the Great Barrier Reef and has been the hit and by other 6 mass beaching event the Marine Park and authorities and said the recently and the alter and the alarming milestone for the coral wonders that point to the continuous and threat of the climate changes and the greenhouses gas emissions and body causes of the coral bleach and natural causes and climate changes. Rising sea surface and temperature, the main causes of the coral bleaching is heats the stress and resulting from the Rising the sea temperature and the main causes of the coral bleaching is the stress resulting from the high sea temperature and temperature increase of only and 1 the degree and Celsius and for the only 4 weeks and can the triggers and bleaching event. If thus temperatures and persist then for the longer period in 8 the weeks or the more corals will begins and 2D. El Ninos and frequently of the storms and such as those associated with the El Ninos and southern. The oscillations event has resulted in the devastations of very large areas of coral impact. In fact, 16% of the world corals were affected by the 1997 and 1908 and El Ninos events. Increased solar and the irradiances beings during the summers month and during the season's temperature and the irradiances maxima and offers occur the disproportionalities in the shadows and livings the corals and on the exposed and summits of the colonies and solars the radiations has been suspended and to the play other role in coral bleachings and the both and the photosynthetically and the active radiation and PAR and 4400 and 700 nm and the ultraviolet radiation and UVR and the 280 and 400 nm have been the implicated in the bleachings. Freshwater inundations and the strong cyclones and storm the causes and heavy the precipitations and the strongly deletes and the oceans and water near the shores and this can the disrupt and salines and contents and ppm of the shallows and water coral and the includes and bleachings. Subarial exposures and shouldn't the exposures of the reef fleet corals to the atmosphere and during the event and such as the extreme and low tides and also the related to sea levels and drops of the tectonics and uplift and can the potentially and introduce the beaches the consequent exposures to high or the low temperature and increase the solars Jukes theory loosen but could and also vary the well and lead to the coral death and cold the stress and event in the January 2010 and cold water the temperatures and in the Florida and Keys accused other coral bleachings and event that the resulted in the some corals death. Epizootics and the pathogons included and bleachings is different and from the other sorts of the bleachings and most co-diseases and causes the patchy and or the whose hold the colonies and death and the sloggings and of the soft tissues and resulting in other white skeletons and not to be the confused and with the bleaching corals are the few and pathogens and have been the identified the causes translated and why the issues are the protozoans anthropogenic and activities and increasing the greenhouse gas emissions CO2 emissions and rising the emission intensity and from the fossil fuels and coal and the factories and are the heatings and the planets and increasing the carbon fertilities in the oceans and harmful the algae and the blooms and lead to the turbidity and of the water thereby the causing and bleaching the polluted and run of the polluted and from the river water and the industrials effluences lead to the bleaching and poor the qualities water this can the cures due to the toxin and sediment and that comes along with the water and that join the seas and corals cannot withstand and toxicity and thus the expulse and the algae impact of the corals bleaching on the coral reef the coral begins and to the starve and on once they bleach and while the some corals and are the hours to the feed and themselves and most the coral struggle to the survive and without their the zooxanthellae and if the condition and returns to the normals and corals can the regions there decreased coral growth and the reproductions and the increased and sustainabilities and to decrease diseases. Great Barrier Reef and over the 2016 and 17. Great Barriers Reef and suffered the back to the back beaching and leaving the half of the shadows and water the corals and death and 1/3 of the 3,863 and reefs and that the makes up the Great Barrier Reefs and went the through other catastrophic and death of biodiversity of the oceans and the ecosystem, and thus the seals and organisms, and also the provided the refuge and the shelter for many mobile animals. The entire and biodiversity and sustainings on the coral reef and will be affected. Fish species: 25% of the fish species spend the some part of their life and cycles in reefs, and despite the fact and that they cover less than the 1% of ocean's floor. Carbon silk. In addition, seashells and the algae and the coral algae and symbiosis and the determine carbon fixations, and it's the pathway and into the organic and the inorganic forms, and thus are the basis and for the energy, and that the support the ecosystems and the deposit the calciums and carbonate and the skeletons, and that the created the reef. Loss of livelihood and countries in the Southeast Asia and such as the Indonesia and Thailand and Philippines and would bears the worst and of the damages, as it will be the reduce the fish and stock rapidly. Economic and impact on both the fishing and tourism, and will be the hit hard, and the many the communities in the Queensland had to the look and for the alternate livelihood, and due to the coral bleaching and the loss of clean and the ecosystem barrier to storm. Coral reefs and act and as they the barriers and to the guard and against the incoming storms, and the mitigated and the damage done by the surging seas and way forward, limiting the global and averages and temperature to well below 2 degrees Celsius above the pre-industrial levels, and the Pershing effect, and to limit the temperature increase to the 1.5 degrees Celsius in line and with the Paris Agreement on the climate changes, provided the only chance for survival of the coral reef globally. Other measures alone. Others measures alone, and such as the addressing local pollution and the destructive fishing and practices, and cannot save the coral reefs, and without the stability and greenhouse gas emissions and the reinforcing commitment to the Paris agreements, and must be the mirrored and in all the others and global agreements, and such as the sustainable development goals first and economic system, and need to the repeatedly and move to the low and greenhouses gas emissions and the scenario, and to the enable global temperature decrease, a move away and from the current economically thinking, and should the include the benefits and provided by the coral reef, and which are the currently and not taken into the amount in the mainstream and business and the finance. Therefore the sustaining and the restoring and coral reef and should be the treated as an the asset, and the long terms and investment should be the made and for their the preservations. Investment should also the include and support for the reserve and aid the frontier of biology, and such as the genetic selections of the heat and resistance corals, and that can the withstand and the rising global temperature. Conclusion: there also the need to be the transformation of mainstream economics and system, and other move toward circular economically and practices, and there are the highlighted in SDG and including and the sustainable economically growth, and SDG 12 and sustainable consumption and production pattern. Basic of the cyber security: by the adopting a the proactive approach onto the cyber security, we can reduce the risk of the spywares and attacks, and protect our the personal information and digital asset. Discuss. Introduction. Cyberwares and is the defined as other malicious softwares designed to enter your computer device and gather the about you and the forwards it to other third parties, and without the your the consent, and spyware and can also the refers to the legitimated and the software, and that the monitors and use the data and for the commercials and purposes, and like the advertisings and how how and the malicious and the spywares and is the explicitly and used to the profits and from the stolen data, whether the legitimated and or the based in the frauds and spywares and the surveillance activities, and leaves the suspendings and victims. open to data in breach and the missiles of yours the private data and the spywares, and also affected the network and developed and device performance and slowings the down daily and user the activities. Body background: spyware and have been the used and for the surveillance and the political opponent and in other country. In 2021, investigations under the Pegasus and the projected released the massive and scales of potentials and the targeted of the spywares and more than the 15,000 phone numbers in 50 countries, and report the Sarad that the victims and of the spywares and attack were in India and Azerbaijan and Bahrain, Hungary, and the Kazakhstan, and Mexico, and Morocco, and the Rwanda, and Saudi Arabia, and the UAE. The Pegasus and the spy bears and was also and reportedly used and by the kingdoms and of the Saudi Arabias and to the targeted and journalist Jamal and the Khashoggi and the 5 month before his the death, and Khashoggi US the resident and was the murdered and it the Saudi consulated in the Istanbul, and he was other known and critical of the Saudi Arabia and crowned the prince and Mohammed bin Salman. Problems caused by the spyware: data theft and the malicious spywares, and is installed without your the information and consent, and the step by step and the spywares and will take the following action on yours the computer or mobile devices: infiltrated and view and the app and install the packages and malicious and website or the files and attachment and the monitors and and the captures and datas and view the key stocks and the screen captures and others the tracking codes, and send the stolen datas and to the spywares and others authors to be the used and directly or the sold to others the parties. Breach of the privacy and in the short and spywares and communicates and the personals confidentials and information about you to and the attackers and pages and the spywares and giving the WhatsApp and messages information of users to third the party. Identity front and spywares and can the steals and personal information and that can be the used for the identified and theft. If the malicious in the software and has the access to every pieces of the information on yours the computer, and it can the harvested and the more than the enough and information to eliminate to immediated and your the identity information used and for this the purpose and include the borrowing history, email and account and the saved and the password for online banking and shopping and the social network, and also if you have visited online banking sites and spywares and can the spoon and your bank account and information of the credit card and the account and sell it to the third parties and or use them directly. And computer damages and the spywares and can be the poorly and decided and leading to the system drainage and performance, the lack of the performance and the optimizations, and can take up the enormous and the amount of the your computer memories and processing the powers and the internet bandwidth. As a result and the infected and devices and may the run slowly and the tag in the between the application or the which online bots and cases the includes and the frequently and system casing or the overheating your the computer choosing and permanent damage. Some and the spywares and can the even disables and your the internet security programs and disruptions to yours the browsing experience, and spywares and can also the many manipulates and the search engines result and the delivered and the unwanted the website in yours the browsers, and which can lead to the potentially and harmful website or the fraudulent and ones. It can also causes your home pages and to the change and can even the alters and some of yours the computer setting and pop up this pop up advertisement and are an equally and the and frustrating and issues, and that the companies and some types of the spy and advertisement may appears even when the offline leading to the to the inceptables and the annoyance. 8. User level basis the security hygienes. Basis the security hygienes and not the visit. And untrusted and website and installed the untrusted third parties and applicable or the certifying and keeping the devices and applicable software update is needed and using the licensed software and user must the ensures and pirated software are not used and the also updated and latest the security patches and to their the devices. Non-disclosures of the sensitives and information awareness to ensure the people are not the deceived and by the unscrupulous and actors and the regarding the confidential information and banks logins OTP and the debit credit card details using the trusted software and user must not give the unbridged and the access to the phones and contact to the suspicious apps. 2. Layers the authentications and strong the password and with the OTPs and login can the help and secure the devices app and from the unauthorized access and aid the government level initiatives. SERT in the nationals and the nodal agency to the response in the crisis situation and NERT and the FIN has also been the launch and the exclusively and for the financial sector and SERT in is also the operating cyber and the Swachh Kendra are the botnet and cleaning and the malware analysis center and the nationals criticals and information infrastructure protection center NCIIPC and to the battle cyber security threat in the strategic areas and such as the airs and controls and nuclears and the space and cyber Surakshit and Bharat and the initiative to the strengthen and the cyber security ecosystem in India. It is the first and the public and private partnerships and of its the kind and will the leverages the expertise of the IT industry and the cyber security national cybers ordinations and center and triple and to the skins internet traffics coming into the countries and providing the real times and situationals and awareness and alert and various and security agencies cyber forensics lab and set up in the Bengaluru and Pune Kolkata in the collaboration with the NESCOM. Conclusion. India must develop and core the skill in data and the integrity and data security field to ensure the protections of users and data as well as the security of the criticals and the infrastructure expertises of the private sector and must be leverages and to build and the capabilities and meanwhile users and the awareness is the equality necessary to prevent them and from becoming victims of the cyber crimes and the fundamentals foundation of for other global law on the cyber security and must be laid and it will the help and to in the guidance and national legislations and or the policies and against the cyber crisis and cyber deterrences and must be the ingrained and in the policies on cyber security with both defensive and the offensive approach. Repeat capacity and buildings and skills development in cyber space is the requirement and considering the fact that India IT and segmented accountant for the 51% and share of the IT BPM and the sector 2018 and 19 value addition type of the spywares. Spywares is generally classified and into four main and the categories. Trojans and the spywares and enters the devices and view the Trojans and the malwares and which the delivers and the spywares programs and the adwares and may the monitors and you to the cell and data to the advisors and or the sub and incentives and the malicious ads. Tracking and the cookies files and can be the implemented and by other website to follow you across the internet and system the monitors and attack and track any the activities on other computers and the capturing and sensitive data and such as the key stocks and sites and visited and email and the more and the keyloggers and typically and fell into this the group. Disaster management. Discuss the recent occupants of the ozone hole and over the Antarctica. It is the consequences and the strategic to the evaluated in its 250 words. The ozone layer is other track. The ozone layer is other trace gas is in other stratospheres, and one of the four layers of the Earth atmosphere functions as other protecting and gas the sheets that absorb the ultraviolet radiations and protecting humans and ecosystem and from the dangerous amount of the UV and most the skin cancers and are caused by the insurance to high amount of the UV and radiations and so the anything that the seed and use us the from the UV and raise the help and the reduce and cancer rated the size of the ozone hole and over the Antarctica and the fluctuates and each years and openings and each years and in the August and the closings again in November or December the hole and which the scientists and coal and the ozone displayed and areas and was the 26 million square kilometer 10 million square miles in size the roughly and the three times the size of the Brazils and the ozone hole over the Antarctica has not only the grown and larger but also the thinners and the throat out most of the aspiring according to other new studies bodies. Formation of the ozone hole in the Antarctica in the southern hemisphere. The South Pole is other part of other very large and mass land mass and the Antarctica and that is the completely and the surrounded by the ocean and this the summary is reflected in the meteorological condition and that allow the formation in winters and of other very cold and region in the stratospheres over the Atlantic and the continent is isolated and by other band of strong winds circulating and around the edge of that the regions. The very low stratospheric and temperatures and lead to the formation of clouds and polar stratospheric cloud and that are the responsible for the chemical changes and that promote the productions of chemicals and active the chlorine and the bromines. This chlorines and the bromines and activities and then they lead to the repeat ozone loss and when the sunlight return to Antarctica and in the September and October of each year and which then the results in the Antarctica and ozone hole as the figures and below the depict and the magnitude of the ozone loss on has the generally growth and through the 1980 is the amount of the human produced on ozone the depletings and the compound has grown in the atmosphere and uses of the ozone hole in the recent time. Scientists believe in that this years and big the ozone holes and could be due to and the volcanic eruptions at the Hungas and the Tangas and Tonga during December 2022 and the January 2023 under the normal condition gas released from other volcanic eruption and stay below the levels of the stratospheres and but this the eruption and send other lot of water vapor and into the stratospheres the water had and the impact on the ozone layers and through the chemicals reactions and the changes it is the heating rate and the water vapor also the contained and others the elemented and that can the delayed and ozone like the bromines and the iodine consequences of the ozone hole effect on the human health. Ozone layer depletions and increase the amount of the UV and that the receive and the earth surface and the laboratory and the epidemiologicals and the survey and the study and the demonstration and that UV and causes known the melanoma skin and the sensor and play a major role in the malignant and the melanoma's development. In addition and UV has been the link and to the development of the cataract the cloudings and of the lens and effect on the plants and UV radiation affect the physiologically and the development process of the plant and despite the mechanism to the reduce or the repairs and thus the affected and the ability to adapt and to increase the level of the UV and plant growth can be the directly affected by the UV radiation effect on the marine ecosystems. Phytoplankton